guys, welcome to my channel. This is Lolly and welcome to Lolliqueen Zone. Today we are discussing a very exciting topic. Today I'm taking you through the type of skin, how to determine your skin and acne. But we can't finish all in one video, so this video is going to be in two parts. Okay, part one we'll talk about the skin types and the characteristics and how to identify your skin type, and then the part two will talk about acne. So let's get into the discussion. But if you've not subscribed to the channel, kindly do so now. Turn on your bell icon so that you get notified any other time I post a video. I'm waiting for you to do that. So skin is our external surface, the beautiful external coverings we have, and it's actually determined by your genetics. So the kind of skin type that you possess is determined by your genetics. And then there are four basic types of skin. We have the normal skin, the dry skin, the oily skin, and the combination skin. There's another less common type of skin, and that's called the sensitive skin. It's not really a skin type, it just means that your skin reacts to certain ingredients and it's caused by fluctuation of hormones. So you can have normal sensitive skin, dry sensitive skin, etc. So to the types of skin into details, we have the first type, which is the normal skin. These people are so lucky. Their skin is just so flawless. They have a balance between oil production or sebum production. Like, their skin is just so balanced, it's so beautiful. And I mean, it's nice. I envy them. And the term for a well-balanced skin is called edemic. So they are edemic. And the second type of skin I want to talk about is the oily skin, which I personally fall under. It has a glossy appearance, okay, and it's shiny with visible pores. So you can see the pores is visible. Unlike normal skin, you don't see their pores, okay, but then with oily skin, you see visible pores. These individuals are prone to acne because they have overproduction of sebum, and this overproduction of sebum is called seborrhea. And on to the third skin type, I'm talking about the dry skin. Dry skin. Some people call them scaly skin or something. It's not like their skin is peeling off, okay, but then their skin is so tough and it lacks moisture because they don't produce enough sebum to hold moisture. So they lack moisture and their skin is kind of rough and tight, and the term for dry skin is called xerosis. So they have xerotic skin, which is quite tough, yeah. And the fourth and final type of skin is the combination skin. So let's get this right. This is your T-zone, okay, from your forehead down your nose, down your chin. So your chin is your T-zone, and then your cheek area is your C-zone, okay. So what a combination skin means is that there are some individuals who have a different skin type at their T-zone and a different skin type at their cheek zone or their C-zone, which means that these individuals have to apply different products at different places on their face, because the individual can have an oily T-zone and have a very dry C-zone, and vice versa, okay. So that's it for the skin types. Let's move on to how you can identify your skin type. So for us to know our skin types, the first way to know it is a visit to the dermatologist. The second way to do this, or to know your skin type, is to pick a mirror, bring it so close to your cheek or to your face, and then try to visualize your pores. If you have normal skin, you may find little to no pores at all, and even if you find it, they are so tiny that it's hard to even visualize them. If you have dry skin, you would find no pores at all, but you can find scalings or flaking skin. If you have an oily skin, you will see visible enlarged pores. And if you have a combination skin, you may be able to find visible pores maybe on your cheeks and little to no pores at your T-zone area. The next way to know your skin type is to wash your face with a water-based cleanser or an oil-free cleanser in the morning. And then don't wear anything whatsoever on your face, no pomade, nothing. Then wait till midday. And then at midday, now try to feel your skin. If it's too tight or too rough, then you know that you have oily skin. If your skin is not too dry, it's not too oily, it's not easy. There's some balance, but it feels a little bit dry, then you know that I have normal skin. If your skin doesn't feel tight, even your skin has become moisturized, then you know that you have oily skin. For combination skin, parts of your face may feel dry and the other parts may feel oily. Final way to know your skin type is to use the blotting paper method. So wash your face with a water-based cleanser in the evening, go to bed, and when you wake up in the morning, the first thing you want to do is to get your blotting paper, a single layer of tissue paper, and then cut them into small pieces like this, and then stick them to your forehead. I don't know if I have enough for video, and I'm actually in makeup, so this is not gonna work, but then stick it to your forehead, your nose, your chin, your cheek areas, stick it there and try to see if it will stick. Just to show you, okay? Don't do it whilst you have makeup or anything on. So it's not even staying. So stick it onto your face and then observe it. If it falls right after sticking it, you have dry skin. It falls right after sticking it and you check it, it's not drained with some oil, or the paper looks dry on it, then you have dry skin. But if it kind of sticks for some microseconds and falls off, and you check and you have some tiny bits of oil on it, then you have a normal skin. If it sticks, or if after you take it off you find a lot of patches of oil on it, you know that you have oily skin. And if at some point it falls off quickly, at some point on your face it falls off quickly, and at some point it's staying or is being drained with oil, then you have a combination skin. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do also subscribe, like, and share. We would soon start with our video on acne, so don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. If you love me and love what I do, and you love this channel, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, I love you so very much. Okay, stay cool, stay awesome. God be with you.